welcome to ManKitchenRecipes. I'm Kevin. I got to tell you, this weather is depressing. But I got my portable ASMOKE 350, and I want some smoked burgers with that Smokin Pecan pellets that I put inside of here. I've got this turned on right now. I'm going to heat this up to 250 degrees. Right now it's on the smoke level, heating up. Let's go inside. I'm going to show you what kind of burgers I'm going to make. All right, it's a little nicer in here. This weather, I got to tell you. Anyway, so I wanted to smoke some burgers with those pecan shell pellets. So I was looking for some hamburger. I found some Wagyu burger that I had that I need to use up. It may not be the brightest pink, but it was in the freezer. And same goes with some hot Italian Johnsonville sausage. It needs to get used as well. So we're gonna have Wagyu beef, hot Italian sausage, green chili, and I'm not using Young Gun's green chili. I had a viewer, one of the subscribers asked me, why do you use that? That's not the best. The best is Bueno, blah, blah, blah. I used Bueno. When I lived in Arizona, I always bought Bueno because that's what we had. And so these are Hatch Autumn Roast Bueno, and this is the hot. And I tell you, Bueno's hot is hotter than Young Gun's hot. It's actually hot. See that? Look at that. So we're going to use some green chili. I'm going to throw some cheese and some SPG. So let's get this mixed up. Patties formed, and get them out in that portable ASMOKE AS350 that's under the patio, out of the rain. Okay, so this is going to be pretty darn simple. Got my pound of Wagyu ground beef. I've got my pound of hot Italian Johnsonville sausage. I didn't show you, but I've got I don't know, just about a half cup of finely diced onion. That is half of a large onion. You can use a medium onion. And we got to get our green chili in there. This is a 13-ounce container. So let's go with probably a cup. Okay, a cup of green chili. Now, if you don't have to put green chili, you can use jalapenos, or you could leave it out altogether. It's all right. And then I've got some of this bagged 4-cheese Mexican blend, and this is going to be about a cup. Yeah. All right. And I'm going to mix this up the good old-fashioned way. Make sure you got clean hands, and then we'll form some patties. I did forget one ingredient, and that is probably about, I think I'm going to go with about 2 tablespoons of salt, pepper, garlic. Okay, now we'll get it mixed up well. And I am just going to eyeball these. I'm going to make some fairly large patties. I'm assuming they will shrink up a little bit. Usually when you smoke burgers, they don't shrink up too much. So, all right, there we go. How's that for a patty? All right, I'm going to get these others done, and we'll get these out to the little ASMOKE AS350. All right, look at these. I got 5 of these, and they're huge. You know, I mean, hey, add a couple eggs and some breadcrumbs, you can have one delicious meatloaf here. Anyway, we're at 250 degrees. Normally I go 45 minutes to an hour. These are thicker, so they may take longer. We'll see. Definitely get these going. All right. Rain or shine, right? There we go. Can't let that green chili escape. All right. I'll probably check them in about 30 minutes, but I think they're going to be done right around an hour, but we'll see. Look at that. All right. It's been just about an hour. Oh, yeah. I'm just gonna top these with some Gouda cheese and let them melt. Let that melt for a minute, and take them off. See you inside. All right, there they are. Look at that. Look at that color. Oh, all right. Let's do a quick build and do a taste test. All right, we're not doing anything fancy. We've got some made up some burger spread, mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, and some dill pickle relish. I'm going to put that on the top and the bottom bun.
Now you can put lettuce, tomato, pickles, whatever you want on top. I've got all the green chili and cheese and onions inside the bun. So all I'm gonna do is set one of these right on top and cap it. And that's all we need right there. Look at that. All right, yeah, let's cut this in half. See what we got. Ready? Oh, yeah. Look at that. It even has a little bit of a smoke ring going on there. All right, there we go. Look at that. Wagyu hamburger, Johnsonville Italian sausage, green chili, onion on a brioche bun with some Gouda cheese on top. I love making burgers. You can make so many different variations, and yeah, let's give this a try. That is outstanding. That I got a little heat from the hot Italian sausage and from that green chili. That green chili, that bueno green chili, so good. All right. That Smokin Pecan shell pellets, you can definitely taste that smoke in that burger. If you haven't tried a smoked burger, definitely smoke a burger. If you got a Smokin Pecan pellet shell pellets, definitely give it a try with those smoked burgers. Oh, what can I say? Have a great day.